I'm out here at a job today in Matraville for a chemist. Basically, he's with a company called ACN, who is his provider. He has been on to them saying that the fax machine is out, and they've said to him, look, everything's fine at the exchange side. This is definitely an internal problem, and you need to get a private tech to come out and take a look. So today, basically, I've come out here. I'm at the customer's MDF. I've traced his line back from the fax line. It's coming in here on vertical A pair 9, and there is no dial tone on the network side. We're getting a nice clear signal from the socket to the B side of the MDF. Which underneath the bench there, you can see I've got the F-set connected into the socket here. So we're getting a nice tone here. And then at the MDF, the B-side jumpers, we've got them testing here. See, so we're getting a nice clear signal from the socket over to the B-side. Now I'm just going to run a lines test on that pair just to make sure that internal bit of cable is now just testing that piece of cable. You can see I've got it connected to the jumper wires, which are then running across going onto the B-side. So on the megaohms range here, you can see it's all within specifications. The kilo ohms, and that's between A and B, and then I've actually got the earth hooked up on this one, as you can see there. So we'll do an earth test as well between A and E and B and E on mega ohms and mega ohms. Right, so that's fine. There's nothing wrong with the internal cabling. This is 100% a network issue, so this is going back to you, the ISP, and you will need to get this customer sorted out.